Hello everyone, I'm Siddharthan. In this video, let's understand how we can install Jupyter Notebook in Windows 11. And this process is pretty similar for other Windows version as well. So the first thing that we need to install is Python. So just go to Google and search for Python. And you will see this python.org downloads page and you can click on this download Python thing. And from here, you can download the latest version of Python, which is 3.12.5. So once this has been downloaded, we have to install this python.exe. So I'll close this one and I have this file already downloaded, Python 3.12.5 AMD64. So I'll open this and I can check this box of use admin privileges when installing py.exe so that we don't get any permission issues. And then you have to add python.exe to path so that we can access this from the terminal. So click on these two checkboxes and click on install now and say yes. So this will install Python on your PC. So this is the first step. And this way of installation, we are not using Anaconda navigators and other external softwares in order to access Python and Jupyter Notebook so that you can work on this. So this will work on the Python interpreter that we are installing now as the global Python version. So once this is installed, we will access this via terminal and install the Jupyter Notebook from there, and then we can access this. So that is the overall process. So as you can see, the setup was successful. So I can close this one and I'll close this directory as well. So now I can open my command prompt. So I'll go to my search bar and say command prompt and I'll open this. So from here, I can run Python space double hyphen version. So this will tell me the Python version. So if this is giving you an issue, that means Python is not installed or it's not in your path. So make sure that you check that box of add path to add python.exe to path, or you have to manually add that to your environment path. But if you are following my tutorial, so you shouldn't get any errors. So you should get something like Python 3.12.5, which is the version of Python that we have downloaded. So now we can install Jupyter Notebook using pip. So you can just say pip install Jupyter. So this will install Jupyter, and from this you can also install the other libraries that you need as well. So here I've already installed this library, so it says requirement already satisfied. So if you are running this for the first time, it will download some packages and install it and so on. So that will happen. So once this is done, you can close this. And let's say we are creating a folder called as Jupyter Notebooks, or I can just say Jupyter Notebook files. So this is the folder in which we are going to have our notebook files, or you can also create a folder in your D drive or a different drive, basically anywhere. So for simplicity, I'm opening this on my desktop. So I'll open this folder, and from this folder, I'm going to open my terminal. So I'll right click here and go to open in terminal. So from here, I can just say Jupyter space notebook. So this will automatically open this particular link in your web browser, and this is where you can create your new notebook. So you can go to this new, or you can just right click here and click on new button. I'll just click this one and say Python 3 IPY kernel. So untitled, so you can just change this to, let's say, Python notebook basics or something. So you can rename this, and here you can run your Python commands. So I can say I'll increase the size, print hello world. So this will execute your Python programs. So if you want to have numbers in your cells, you can go to this view and click on this show line numbers, and this will show the lines and so on. So if you want to move these cells, you can just click on this arrow button, and if you want to have another cell, you can click this and so on. And if you want to convert this to a text cell, you can click on this empty space that you have here for a particular cell, and you can press M. So this will create this as a markup cell. So you can just type in something about let's say Jupyter notebook. So this is like a text box. So if you want to convert a text box into a coding cell, you can again click on this empty space beside the cell and press Y. So that will convert this into a executable code cell. So here I'll again click it and press M. So this is how you can install Jupyter Notebook in a simple way after installing your Python. So I hope everyone is clear until this part, and I'll see you in the next upload. Thanks for watching.